handle the truth.
Welcome to The Truth Hurts. This is your host, Sule Prince. Sule Prince.
Johnny, that really hurt.
Whether you like it or not, sometimes the truth hurts. The truth hurts. And you will know the truth, and the truth will set you free. Will set you free.
Today, I have a very special guest with me today, Dale Glover, and we are going to discuss a very interesting topic. We are going to discuss the Shroud of Turin. Now, many of you probably don't know this topic. You probably have heard of it, but never researched it deeply, or you may never have heard of the topic at all whatsoever. Well, we have Dale here to help us understand this topic and why it is important. So what would you say are some of the characteristics of the shroud image that really makes it remarkable, that we have to say that, okay, this is just not a graphic that somebody put on this cloth or a painting? What about the shroud would you say that, no, this is remarkable, this is something that the world needs to hear about?
Absolutely, yeah. So I think there are several features that have been found. So the first one, going back to 1898, is when a guy named Secondo Pia took the first picture of the shroud. He realized when he went to his darkroom later on to develop the photographic plates, he saw the photo negative image, and he realized that with the shroud, things are reversed. So the images that we see with the naked eye is actually the photo negative. When you bring it into on the plates in the darkroom, that's the photo positive. That's the way the image ought to be. So it's different than our photos. It's reversed kind of thing. And that's a remarkable feature, right? Because no medieval artist could, paint that on purpose or even conceive of the idea of doing that on purpose. So I think the photo negativity, those black and white photos, are incredible, where the lights and darks of the images are reversed. Secondly, in 1976, a bunch of scientists were using what's called a VP8 image analyzer, and they discovered that the shroud's images contain three-dimensional information. They encode accurately the depth information or the topographical information. So what that means in a nutshell is that the lights and darknesses of the images reflect the distance between the body and the cloth. So that the tip of the nose is darker because it was closer to the cloth than the cheek, and that sort of thing. So that's an incredible feature. Another one is there's body image superficiality. So the color of the images is only on the outer surface of the cloth. So it's only on the top 2 to 3 fibers of every single thread. Each thread has about 200 fibers or something like that. And on each fiber, it's only on the primary cell wall, that 0.2 micrometers of the surface of a fiber. And bear in mind, a fiber has a diameter lesser than that of a human hair. So this is incredibly small.
So why is that significant? Why?
Yeah.
Well, what should we garner from that?
So basically the color is superficial. It didn't involve a mechanism that would penetrate through the diameter of a human hair. It would just hit the surface and then stop. It wouldn't go through or soak down into the cloth or penetrate through the cloth.
Okay.
And that is relevant for, well, how are these images formed type deal. I think those are some of the main things. And I mentioned, the bones and teeth is a feature, but like I said, it's controversial.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like what you just watched, click the subscribe button. And beside that is a bell icon. Click that. It will notify you of all upcoming videos. Also, if you like this video, click the like button. But if you don't like what you just watched, you don't agree, that's okay. Go into the comments, leave a comment. Let's dialogue and talk. Thank you.